Dollar index. Dollar index. Euro dollar. Dollar CAD. Aussie dollar.
All right, good morning, everybody. Sorry, was a bit busy this before starting. I'm already stopped out on EURJPY, and I just reversed it, and I'm also buying Bitcoin, but this is probably gonna take some time. I'm not so sure this is actually gonna turn here. It just looks pretty good, but I'm not so certain about a target yet.
Morning. up? How's your morning going?
I just got run over on Euro Yen.
You shorting or?
Was buying it.
Okay.
It was a quick death.
Yeah, currently I'm long in Euro USD and Aussie USD and Pound USD.
So you triple the risk for the US dollar.
Exactly.
I'm buying some bitcoins and now just quickly selling Euro Yen to the pivot. But yeah, I'm long bias too actually on short bias on the US dollar. But for some reason that just went bad really fast just a minute ago.
You said you're long bias or short? I'm sorry.
Yeah, short bias US dollar. So my idea is also to buy Euro or the Aussie dollar. I bought Euro Yen because it looked kinda rollover-ish. But that didn't happen. That stopped me out immediately. And gold is already on the way up, so I'm probably getting a double stop out in a minute.
New South Wales reports 172 new COVID cases. That is up from the 136 reported yesterday. Just repeat, New South Wales recording 172 new COVID cases.
Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know why I did that.
Did what?
Triple the risk on USD. Oh well. I live and learn.
Yeah, that could be it actually. But I'm not sure yet.
Gold.
Maybe that was just a breeder or something. I'm not so sure yet. Well, only one way to find out.
Yep, just to sit and watch. As Tux would say, Mr. Market will do its thing.
Exactly. And taking our money.
Oh yeah. I'm only looking for like, I think 20-30 pips, so I don't know. We'll see, we'll see.
By the way, there's some buzzing noise in your audio.
Okay, just give me a sec. Is it off or no?
No.
Alright, I need to adjust the mic then, probably.
Dollar index.
Maybe that's me. Testing, testing.
Hello, hello. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it's me.
No, it's not me.
Is that any better?
It's gone, yeah. Funny thing is, I actually cannot hear it on my... I have a speaker bar as for monitoring. I cannot hear it in that bar, but I can hear it on the live stream because... I actually cannot...
But it's gone now, though?
Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, what I wanted to say, I have a speaker bar, so I cannot hear it, but on my Mac, there is actually proper speakers attached, so I can hear the bass.
Yeah, I don't know why this. I have like a blue microphone, Spark.
A blue? That's USB, right? Should not be buzzing.
No, it's XLR.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so sometimes it's weird if you angle it weirdly. It'll fucking.
Probably the cable. I have the same problem. I have like 5 cables here, and they're all kind of crap.
Yeah. It is what it is.
Dollar CAD.
Like in some other places, it's like, okay, if you buy, you get what you pay for, kind of. But around here, it's not like that. If you pay more, that just means you buy more expensive crap.
Yeah. I mean, I ain't gonna go try and find like a 30-40 buck cable one.
Yeah, that's what I did. I bought. I said, okay, fuck it. Went to a sort of audio store, not exactly an audio store, just a store that more or less specialized in audio accessories. And I bought a cable for like 25 bucks, and it's just the same. If I touch it, the microphone, it disconnects. And nobody can hear me.
Yeah, I literally have the same fucking problem. I have no idea why.
Euro dollar.
Just now, probably your ground wasn't connected. That's why it was buzzing.
Probably. It's like if it slants like upward, like because like the mic is like a heavy mic, so it will like shift upwards a little bit, ever so slightly, and eventually it just hits.
Yeah, I have a Rode pod mic, and this is really heavy too. I had to tighten all the screws on the arm. Yeah, but the blue mics are pretty good usually, actually. it's like 95%, 92% the cable. You're really bad luck and have bought a bad one. But I doubt that. I guess my Bitcoin buy isn't working either. Huh?
Dollar index.
I guess it's too early to tell where the dollar's going. I mean, I do know, but I just don't want to admit it yet.
Yeah, gold is going up, the dollar is going down. That makes... Well, the dollar is poking the VWAP, gold is still going up. The cat is going nowhere, yeah, it's just too early.
Like this morning, G broke that resistance level was at on, well, I guess overnight, and that shit just went flying up.
Yeah, well, it went up all morning. I mean the yen pairs, and then when I came in, it just went down, touched the VWAP, and okay, this is a pretty buy. I mean, gold is going up too, and then I got immediately stopped out.
Really? That's so unlucky.
That's actually the best on the VWAP trades because you know when you're wrong like rather quickly. It's not that quickly usually. I guess the market's slowly but surely coming back to normal.
Mm.
The last 3 months was just terrible.
It was pretty much like all sells, right? Sell, sell, sell.
No, not because of that, because things are just very strange.
I mean, we're kind of still seeing like COVID shit, right? I don't know if that plays any part.
Yeah, but it's just an accelerator. I'm not really.
We're 3 minutes away from the PBOC's WARM fixing. Earlier estimate from Reuters saw today's fix at 6.4748. Just worth noting as well, we've got 10 billion WARM maturing today from a 7-day reverse repo.
Not so much into economics. Looks like the dollar is actually holding the VWAP. Let's see how that plays out.
One minute till the PBOC.
$CAD.
Now waiting on the one fix. Six spot 4734 for the one fix. 6 spot 4734.
Looks like the dollar is holding.
Dollar index.
Gold is going straight up.
Being reported North and South
That's a
Korea
good thing for me then, right?
communication lines.
Yeah. But not for my revenge trade.
Oh, right. You're, the yen, right?
Yeah, just down to the pivot. Nothing fancy. And my Bitcoin long is about to get stopped out too. I think I can scale in one more time here. Oh, the dollar just went over.
Uh-oh.
There's the support in Bitcoin. I just buy one more time. I'm gonna close BTC. This is not gonna work.
Away from the bottom of the hour, do have some Chinese data due. Industrial profits year on year for June. Prior read at 36.4%. The Chinese central bank selling 10 billion yuan of 7-day reverse repos, matching the maturities.
Dollar index.
At SwingFish 12, that Morbo guy that keeps chiming in, is he on Discord with you or is that an announcement service?
It's an announcement service. It's called Live Squawk.
DAX.
The Shanghai Composite set to open flat today, as is the CSI 300. The Hong Kong Hangseng Tech Index, though, set to open at its lowest level since the index launch.
Wow, the Hangseng went badly down since 1, 2, 3 days.
Oh god.
Three minutes till Chinese data. Industrial profits year on year for June. Prior read of 36.4%.
Gold.
Yikes. On my 5 minute GU kind of just formed like a head and shoulders thing.
Yeah, it's still sort of undecided, but it seems like the US dollar is already on its way.
On its way down, right? What a shame.
No, up.
Okay.
DAX.
Shit, I accidentally bought it.
And Chinese industrial profits rise by 110% year on year. That's the first half of the year. Still waiting for the June figure. Chinese Finance Ministry says China's SOE profits up 110% year on year in the first half.
Had the perfect short entry, but it was actually a buy position.
Chinese industrial profits
Did you
rise
just, like,
20% year on year in June. Comments from China says it can offer a fair environment for Chinese companies.
Dollar CAD.
Yeah, this is gonna break out.
Aussie dollar. Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Dollar. Euro yen. Pound yen. Dollar CAD. Nasdaq.
Ah, come on. This is shooting up. It's gonna stop me out on the Hangseng short. It's been heavy on the resistance.
Oh no.
The South Australia Premier confirming South Australia's state is to exit the 7-day lockdown at midnight.
And stopped out. I'm done for today.
Gold.
Damn, that was such a good setup.
A panel has released their recommendations for the $90 billion Japanese university fund. It says it should have 65% stocks and 35% bonds.
You guys just trading the Hong Kong in here?
I usually trade Hangseng, but there were Chinese news. It gapped down. It gapped down. Oh, hold on, I'm creating some feedback. Okay. It gapped down, and then there's actually some resistance. It went back up to the resistance, and shorted it heavy.
I never saw you. I only saw you trade it like once or twice before. Interesting.
Yeah, I just do it sometimes. It's not something I do every day. Because you can't trade a DAX at this time of day. If you want to trade the indexes, NQ or Hangseng.
Nasdaq.
And of course, while we're talking about it, oh, never mind. The Chinese news came out and the DAX and everything just shot up. I was like, oh, nice. That gives me a better short entry. And then I scaled in heavy and it just broke out.
I just fucked it up.
What was that, vodka?
Aussie dollar CAD.
I think I just, the way I was sitting, like my hip just like started cramping, I think.
But this is usually a good sign. Like if it moves like that, okay, like let's just sell that fucker. It went straight to the support and it bounced back really hard. I was like, oh, this is easy money.
If you're getting cramps, just make sure you're hydrated.
Yeah, it's not a cramp, but like it was like, I think like the bones were rubbing or some, I don't even know.
Could be iron.
Pound yen.
I have a condition where my hands lock up, which just started happening like months ago. And
It's usually iron.
my girl massaged them and they were good for about 5 minutes and then went back. And then I figured out I can actually unlock them with my mind, which is freaking amazing. It takes me about 3 minutes if they lock up.
Just eat more fish. Spanish.
I don't eat any fish. I don't eat any, like, the only animal products I eat are eggs every once in a while.
You need to get some iron into your body. Spinach is also pretty good.
Iron?
Fuck you, Hangseng.
I should just eat some rocks, right?
Eat some rocks, yeah. Spinach is usually better and it tastes better.
Are you? There's no iron in fruits and vegetables?
Only spinach.
Oh,
It's mostly in meats.
I get spinach and variations on spinach. Oh, that's why that guy said, yeah, because, and what about certain lettuces? They have iron, right?
What?
I don't believe so. I might be wrong.
Certain lettuces, like those, like the small leaf lettuces that you find in the markets of Thailand, I think those have iron in them too.
How are they called?
I don't know what they're called.
Like the certain lettuce?
We just refer to it as bai salat, which is just lettuce leaves. But
How's it called in Thai?
I don't know what they called it, but we just talk about bai salat, which is lettuce ties. Salad leaves. We don't talk about the name of the plant.
Does it smell really bad?
No.
Oh, no, never mind then. There's one stuff that they used to cook that smells so bad.
Oh yeah, that one I know about. She eats it, and I don't know what it is, but every time she goes and eats and comes back, I can, like, it comes out of her skin.
Just burn down the house, whatever. It's just like, oh my god.
No, they don't notice it.
They don't, but I do.
Yeah, I noticed it, and I never ran into anyone else that noticed it. You're the first person I know that's mentioned it.
It's like, really, like, you gotta burn down your house.
but they all eat it.
But this also has a lot of iron, but I don't like the taste and the smell. I just stick with spinach because it's cheap and you can put it basically anywhere.
I don't know about the taste. Yeah, I don't know about the taste because I don't really know what it is. And whenever they're eating, I don't notice it. It's just afterwards I notice it.
No, even if you buy it like raw on the market, it's already stinks like holy crap.
What food are you talking about?
Some vegetable that's local from here.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Ah, found it. Just Google for smelly vegetables. What's it called? I have like pictures here.
NASDAQ.
I'll try.
What the fuck did I walk into with smelly vegetables?
Iron deficiencies.
Ah, fair.
Put your picture in voice context. You're gonna find it on every market. I don't know how it's called. So I avoid it at all cost.
Alright.
You can fry it with eggs or something like that. It actually tastes pretty good.
Cha-om? That one?
Chaom is with, yeah, it's like the eggs with where this is fried inside it. Like these blocks of eggs with green stuff inside. Yeah, that's the same.
She makes that for me from time to time. That doesn't smell.
Yeah, but watch her do it.
What do you mean?
The vegetable that's inside, the green stuff, this smells so bad.
Are you talking about like the durian fruit or something?
Oh, much worse, much worse.
Wait.
No, we're talking about a
What?
vegetable.
Post a picture in voice context.
Alright.
It's called cha-om.
I thought the omelets are called like that.
Cha-om is like cha is like a tea, and om is the name of it. So omelet is a kaijiao. Kaijiao sai cha-om, maybe. That's what you...
Probably.
They look like mini asparagus or mini bamboos. Do they taste good though?
It tastes so somewhat neutral, but it smells like somebody died.
Right, so it's the ultimate mental game. Late to the party, I'm shorting Aussie yen because it's what looks like it's going to happen next.
It's not because you're an Aussie?
No.
Yeah, I got run over twice, so I'm done.
If it was that case.
Party is over.
Or should I say, is it not because you're an Aussie? Wait, Aussie. I should say Aussie so that it.
Aussie.
Like, no, I should say Aussie because it removes me from like the normal way of pronouncing it. So they think I'm out of my mind.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm playing this with only a 7-pip stop because it looks good.
Oh, you're laughing because you know I'm out of my mind. I know.
No, I'm laughing because 7-pip seems a bit ridiculous here. It could easily get stopped out, but it's logical. Ooh. Does S1 look doable? It does look doable. Will it take all day? Probably.
I'm in pound yen shorts down to the daily pivot or so, and then I'm looking for longs around the Frankfurt, London, perhaps.
Yeah, pound short looks good too.
Yeah, but the indices are strong.
Even looks better than the Aussie yen, to be honest.
Yeah, so maybe she'll just like wick to the daily pivot and then just start the next, with the indexes.
My cable trade yesterday hit my target, damn it. I exited early.
So my girl confirmed it's Kaijia Sai Chaon.
Okay. I have no interest in eating it or ordering it.
So you can say, Mai ao Kaijia Sai Chaon. If you want to say it really strong, you can say, Kaijia Sai Chaon, Mai ao Kap.
Sounds like you're enchanting something, to be honest.
This is the problem with Thai language.
Swing understands. The funny thing about when I'm speaking Thai is everyone understands me, but my accent is weird. I mean, to them, it's weird.
Yeah, but they have zero imagination, so that makes it even harder.
It throws them off because all of a sudden they're understanding me and they're not used to understanding a foreigner, and then they don't even realize that they're understanding until halfway through, and they say, "Oh, he speaks Thai."
Yeah, the same. Or you say something in Thai, they react to it because you said it in Thai and they understood it, and then they try to respond to you in English.
Right, because they didn't realize that it was in Thai.
That's the ultimate fuck you.
I just don't get it. Like, I go to 7-Eleven, I order cigarettes, she turns around, gives me the cigarettes, and then she spends like, I don't know, a minute to tell me how much it's gonna cost in English.
No, it's not a bad attitude. It's actually polite, but it's inconvenient for us. But
yeah, right.
For them,
stands there, reads the number on the cash on the POS and tries to translate them into English, and then usually I just interrupt her by saying the number in Thai.
they're just being polite.
Yeah, I meant that in a joking way, Tux, as in like, oh, fuck you. As in like, I'm just going to speak in your language. I don't mean it that they're actually trying to be rude. Like, I'm sure they're just trying to be polite.
Oh, in America, they'd be rude.
Well, today I went to visit my partner in hospital, and I packed her a bag and everything because I took her into emergency last night, and I got a negative COVID result literally 3 days ago and everything, and I couldn't even see her. It was shit. She's going to be in there for another 2 days by herself.
With or without COVID?
Without.
So it's hookers and blackjack for the next 2 days.
Okay.
And gold and pound yen.
What happened to her?
She got a really bad uterus infection.
Ugh.
Yeah. So that was kind of why I just closed cable and fucked off last night. But yeah. She tried to get the marina in last week, and her body hates foreign objects, so it's rejecting it, etc. So yeah, fun times.
I just had a thought. What if I don't take another cup of coffee? Yeah, I know, Swing. You don't like that thought.
I was just like, what the fuck is he talking about?
Why did pound yen stall and gold headed down? That's weird.
All the yen pair stalled because the indices are going up.
Oh, okay. So,
Sorry. Oh, sorry, Tux. Clarification. Was that directed to me or Tux? Swing.
it was me.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All good. Sorry. Go ahead, man.
Wait, what? Did I say something funny?
He's just revealing what he thinks when I say shit like that.
All good. All good.
It's fine. I'm used to it.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, look at the level that Aussie yen is at. It's like, if you look to the left, it's like, whoop.
Have a look at Aussie yen myself too.
Yeah, Hangseng is fighting the reverb just now.
Oh, shit.
You guys want to see how aggressive I'm being?
I was aggressive too, and I got run over twice. I'm done for today, and I haven't even started.
Oh, fuck.
Let me look at these indexes. Hold on.
The Hangseng gapped down, and then it pulled back prior to the news, like a few seconds before the news. Tested the VWAP and went straight up. And then I just sold it really hard on the resistance.
South Korean side now confirming the two presidents have exchanged letters since April.
And I just did the fuck you again and went up.
Trust
Oh
between
no, it went straight down actually. I was quite in profit. It bounced right back up and stopped me out.
Ah, I see.
Now the Nikkei looks like it's going up.
Casual day in paradise, eh? Swing?
Oh shit.
Yeah, the Hangseng is going up too, and the Nasdaq is just at the VWAP now. Bounce off the pivot.
Dow Jones and S&P are not inconclusive. Nikkei looks like it's going up.
Cable.
But that looks like it's going to be short-lived, and then it's going to come down, and then all the JPYs are going to take the second run. Okay, we'll be fine. But I don't know if 7-pip stop will work. We'll see.
Well, I tried it twice today, it didn't. I just got caught in the volatility.
Euro yen looks like it has more room to the downside.
But when the index is going up, this is not going to happen. Gold changed its mind really quick.
All right, I disagree, Swing. I'm staying in my trade.
Cable is right at the VWAP too, so it's basically the moment of truth now.
I'm betting on dollar CAD to go up to save my ass.
That's a good idea. Fuck. That cat doesn't look pretty.
I'm gonna go slowly, really slowly, go make a coffee.
I'm not. Because I have to pivot in front of me.
Dollar CAD going up from here. That's an interesting thing.
But it needs to go like literally right now. I mean, I'm talking like, I don't know, 1.5 pips max.
Yeah, because it's got 3 touches down there, and then it's going to go break 1.252.7
NASDAQ.
or whatever it is.
I have my doubts. I still have to pivot in front of me.
Dollar CAD slept for 2 and almost a half 4-hour candles on a down move from a consolidation. I think dollar CAD is going to 1.24500.
I just went red. But still 1.5 pips to go. Still 1.5 pips to go. I need a coffee too.
1.24570. I'm gonna mark it.
Really need to watch the pivot on Euro Yen. It's right in the way. A sane person will just take profit there because it's a logical thing to do. What's the fun in that? I'm gonna go get me a coffee. I don't want to watch it get stopped out.
The pivot doesn't always stop them. I'm gonna get a coffee with you. Bye.
Dollar index.
Have fun.
Let me level with you. Let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free. Be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance. Maybe find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight. I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor. Maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe. I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off. All I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off. I could use a new friend.
DAX.
I don't wanna pretend. You just get who I am. Almost feel like we're fans.
Aussie yen.
Think it's time that we try something money can't buy. You and me should go dance. Maybe find us some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight. I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor. Maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe. I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life
Dollar CAD.
Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off. Ooh. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off. All I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off.
Of course, the Hangseng just popped over the VWAP. And EURJPY is at the pivot. Somehow the math is wrong here. Looks like the pivot is holding.
Aussie dollar.
And Aussie dollar?
What was that about Aussie dollar?
It's just an VWAP alert on the Aussie dollar.
Ah, okay.
DAX.
Ah, fuck, the VWAP is holding. I should just have closed it. Sorry, I'm in the pivot. Aussie dollar looks like a pretty short now.
Hey, Swing, trading room. It's not a fight, you can look.
Oh, nice. Price waited for me to let me watch myself get stopped out. Fun times.
Which page got stopped out?
Hey, how's it going? Oh. Hey, vodka.
Hey, what page just got stopped off of? Was it US CAD?
No, I'm shorting Aussie yen. I do want dollar CAD to go up though to help me out.
Why do you think it going up helps you out?
Because dollar CAD goes up, should push Aussie dollar down. Major goes down, Aussie yen should follow.
Yeah.
I'm big dick and odd USD.
isn't the movement around this time more based on the yen?
Dollar still affects it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's basically it, in my opinion.
I don't
Yes.
think I look.
Dollar always fucks shit up.
Okay,
That's a fact, man.
There's my confirmation, Tux.
gotcha.
That's a fact if I ever heard one.
I gotta go find my vape in my car. I'll be back.
Good luck.
I'm pretty sure Euro yen is bouncing up from here. I don't know when I watched it.
I'm like debating if I just cut my losses here.
What are you in?
Longing odd USD.
What time frame?
I'm looking at the 1 hour right now.
What was your target price?
I just needed 20 pips to be honest. So I had to just go.
What's your entry price?
My entry, let me get 73875.
Yeah, I see the 0.74150. You bought resistance, and now it's going down for a little retrace, and could well end up even up at 74350 or so later on. But I don't know how deep the retrace will be. It could be $73620 or lower.
Didn't I say the Aussie dollars are pretty short?
You did.
Yeah, and the other one is 73525, and then it could even go a little lower before heading back up again. So you gotta figure out what you can afford. I don't know if you wanted to like risk 40 to get 20.
Hey, there we go. Dollar CAD's up.
Sometimes I risk 100 to get 5. Yeah, the Aussie dollar. Damn it! I didn't take that short.
Oh yeah, and Tux, you see how Aussie yen literally mirrored it? That's what I was looking for.
Should I look at pound yen again? Let me see, because I'm in that trade, but I just ignore it for a while.
I'm surprised it hasn't moved as much as the Aussie, to be honest.
She'll move. She'll move when she's damn well ready.
There goes the dollar. Dollar's moving.
And as expected, Hangseng is going straight the fuck down after stopping me out.
Right, and pound yen's gonna go boom and touch the pivot and then go up.
That's my worry too on Euro yen, actually.
Do you have Coke and a punching bag swing?
Because my target is at the 4.5 pips below the pivot. A strong feeling the pivot is holding.
Swing doesn't need a punching bag. He's got drones.
Flies them around kiddies.
Oh, look at that. Hangseng. Damn you. just wanted to short it to the previous low, to the low. It's like 40 points away from that.
Well, let's see if it's short-lived, because Nikai's testing VWAP.
Oh, really? Explains why the yen pair stopped moving.
Yeah. Thinking this
Oh,
could
shit.
be Judah.
Guys, the only index that actually looks bullish. There's another reason to get the fuck out on the pivot on Euro Yen.
Cable.
Yeah, pound yen's gonna take her time. Wow. Come on, baby.
I'm worried this is over, man.
Oh,
This looks pretty much like it's over.
I'm sorry, no market cheering.
You're all good.
It's all gonna be fine.
Get the marshmallows.
And popcorn. Oh, there goes pound yen. Come on, baby.
It's a pivot on Euro Yen. Moment of truth.
Don't fuck up my Aussie yen euro. Jokes.
What are you doing on ASEAN?
I'm shorting.
Okay, good. Oh, ASEAN has a bit to go to the pivot. 3.5.
S1, man.
Did you see that fake out move down gold did?
But I also see this level around 81.165, so I gotta be careful. If it does it fast, I'll get out at 81.165. If it takes hours, I'm gonna lower my TP to S1. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Hard stop 81.165 for now.
I have a spider web of trend lines and I have no clue which one is correct.
Oh yeah, didn't you say you were gonna delete all the trend lines today on your chart?
I did. I actually just made them.
And you've already lost them. Nice.
I can't find the target. The target is the pivot and the price is right there and I don't take profit. Check it out. That's all new. All of them make sense.
I really wish C-Trader had a feature that if say you have 3 charts on 3 different time frames, you can set a standard color for them so you don't have to keep switching your line colors.
Actually it does.
Sorry?
It always uses the color you selected.
Yeah, so what I'm saying is it would be nice if you just click on the hour 4, it auto selects blue. Click on the minute 15, it always selects red or something, and then it always selects gray. So you don't have to switch it yourself. That would be nice.
Oh shit, there's also the weekly fucking VWAP. Ah, come on, seriously. 074 is the weekly VWAP. Let's quickly put that on a 3 minute.
It is only Tuesday though. So it's not as bad as a weekly on Thursday or something.
On my first support is the weekly VWAP. Right there. Just exactly at that point. And it just tested it.
Oh, I just noticed that my weekly VWAP lines up with the pivot point.
Yeah, that's like everything is telling, get the fuck out.
Alright, Stream Deck bot enabled.
But what do? We don't.
Actually, that's a perfect spot to get out at weekly. I'm probably gonna end up trailing this if it does a momentum push or something.
Yeah, by me, on my... let me just redraw the chart real quick. Put a horizontal line on it to show the weekly VWAP.
You'd have to post a screenshot because I'm not on the stream.
I just did in voice context. The dotted line is the weekly VWAP.
Yeah. Oh.
It's literally my first support.
Oh, and that lines up really nicely. Okay, yeah, I'd get the fuck out there. That's multiple reasons to get the fuck out. The one reason to stay in,
Money.
If it breaks, it's gonna drop like a knife. Oh!
Oh, this is like crying to get out.
But now Nikolai's below, so it's like more reason to stay in, damn it.
Look at the Hangseng. Oh, this, it just made a new fucking low. Will be 0.5% profit. Fuck you. Oh, it's dropping like a freaking stone.
Alright, this is my first exit, weekly plus pivot. Fuck it, I'm closing. I'm playing the bitch game today. That's a nice little trade there.
Just pass this one. That's far below my actual target. I was so sure this is gonna go down. Fuck. Hold on a second. I'll make another screenshot. This is gonna look so terrible. Yeah, check this out in trading room.
Yeah, I posted my trade too. And there's a weekly. Fuck, and it makes a new low. Oh, shit.
Right?
Really took your stops.
I guess we're done. Pure gambling at this point.
Yep. That's why I exited. My mind's telling me, stay into S1, the momentum's here. But then I'm looking at everything and going, there are some supports and shit. And it happened quickly, so I told myself, if it happens quick, I'm taking the money. So, took the money. Of course, we know it's going to go straight down and hit my target. But, I'm not going to complain.
Yeah, that doesn't matter at all.
Exactly.
I guess the party is over now. Oh wait, it just tested my original take profit. So now we're gonna go up.
And that's exactly why I closed. Probabilities. Nice, nice, nice.
By the way, about your coloring problem, I usually just copy the lines.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. That's kind of smart. Now that we
Can you?
control and drag.
It's actually a trick to do that. Just hit the control key and then drag the line. It's gonna actually create a copy and drag the copy.
Yeah. I actually just said that. I think we spoke at the same time.
Oh, sorry.
It's pretty good, isn't it? It's a good new update. However, I'm getting really sick of the update where you've got to click on each chart like before you can chart reset.
Premier speaking here says he's calling for support.
Yeah, that is so freaking annoying.
And when you want to add an indicator and you think you've got the right chart, but you clicked on another one and you're like, ah, fuck, got to redo the whole thing again.
I think the reason why they did that is exactly the opposite of what you just said. Because people adding stuff by mistake in the wrong chart.
Lol. Well, that did the opposite to me. It's made my life more difficult.
Yeah, to me too, and it's just annoying. Come on, if you don't know where your mouse is, you better should not trade.
That's true.
Yeah, I have quite large mouse pointers. I have asteroid mouse pointers. You know the Atari game? The 80s?
No, I'm too young. I'll look it up though. ATARI? Oh, that's like Nintendo 64, but before then.
Before.
Way before.
A mouse pointer looks like this, the ship they used to make, which is basically just a triangle.
Ah, like pre-Space Invader days. Oh, is it easy to change your mouse symbol? It's just in the Windows settings, yeah?
Yeah, just go to mouse and I can send you the pointers if you want.
Yeah, sure. I'll try a couple out.
I used them since, like, I don't know, 15 years at least.
I wonder if I can download like a Rick and Morty face, a face of Morty or something, and use that as my pointer.
Yeah, well, this is like using emojis to communicate. You're lacking precision.
You're right, that was silly. Yeah, I'll try a couple of yours out.
I have them on the streaming computer too. Yeah. Can you see them?
Oh, the inverted mouse color is really nice. So whenever you're on black, it's white. Whenever you go on black, it's... Sorry, whenever you go on black, it's white. Whenever you're on white, it's black.
Looks like Amarov is still watching my live stream.
We just need to wait for a win before he comes in and chats to us.
Because I'm getting a dislike every day.
Makes sense. I'll jump in and up the ratio. 1 sec. Three to 1.
Once he behaved really, really badly, and then I booted him, and then he disliked me with multiple accounts, and I just said, well, you disliking my video is not gonna help you getting back in. He said he didn't do it, and like a minute later the dislikes disappeared.
Oh God. Why does he go to that extent though? Like, come on. He comes in for help and then he just acts like a total dick like that. I guess we get a laugh though. But kind of sucks for you because you're actually giving him good, decent advice, and yeah, everything you say is helpful. Yet he treats you like that. That's yeah, it's not nice.
Well, what they don't understand, even a dislike is interaction. Doesn't matter if it's positive or negative, it's still interaction, so they're actually helping me by doing that.
That's it.
It's just ego, if it's up or down.
Yeah. Yeah. Whereabouts did you send the mouse pointers?
Oh no, I didn't. No. I don't have them anymore as an archive. Like I said, I installed them like 15 years ago on a Windows 95 computer. I'm just gonna zip the whole folder and you can just pick them out.
Yeah, easy. Yeah, just like the Stream Deck folders you sent in the past.
Just unzip it somewhere, and then if you open the folder, you can see them immediately. They're really standing out.
Oh,
sorry, I was muting myself.
No, I heard you. That's all good. Cheers. Do you like the size of that pointer? Oh my god, this is funny.
They also have different names, like the background activity is called background actually. And busy called busy. Busy is busy, okay, that's correct. Some of them have different names.
Yeah, I'll set them out in large thumbnails anyways.
The original Windows one, they have like a direction.
Sorry.
Northeast, southwest. But mine have, they just called horizontal, vertical and stuff like that. But they're standing out, so.
Alright, that's my last photo of my big pointer porn.
Like they called resize down left.
Just need to extract the folder. Large icons, there we go. Yeah, I found those settings. Yeah, I see all the normal, busy, precision, select, etc. now.
You see, they have different names, so they're not aligned with the older ones. Just copy the ones you want and put them into Windows cursor.
Okay.
Don't select them with the Windows dialog. This is gonna mess you up, and in 6 months you're not gonna know where they are. Put them into the Windows directory. There's a cursors directory actually.
All right.
You can actually make a theme. You can just create a new template and then use yours, and then you can just switch back if you don't like them.
That's smart. Yeah.
That's back from Windows 95, where this was the only way of customization.
Back in the good days.
And now we have Windows themes, so everything is different, but this stuff still exists.
Now we have Windows 11 coming out.
And the Windows 10 problems haven't even fixed yet.
Right.
And the Hangseng went straight to the fucking target. Unbelievable.
I keep getting these bloody fake calls. They call me for 5 seconds and hang up, and they want me to call them back.
Oh, hell no, I never do that.
Yeah, it's the same phone number that I answer it, and it's like, this is the Australian Taxation Office. You have some banking error and criminal charges against you. You're going to be arrested in 2 hours if you do not select one. Okay, fuck off.
Oh, where's the fuck you button?
Right?
That's actually a pretty famous scam in the US.
Oh no.
Or you just play along and just waste as much as time as you can.
Yeah.
That's what I usually do. Okay, I have a 150 pip target. This is gonna take all day. Let's just fuck around with some scammers.
Yeah, and you just play the dumb game and you make him go in circles.
Yeah, right. Like, oh really? Okay. What do I have to do?
But yeah. So do I do this or this? Yeah, but this, but that, this, that, and you just piss them off.
So I'm also curious in finding out how they actually do it. So you need to play the game in order to figure that out.
Yeah. Sorry, I just got some messages from Alicia, so I'm just occupied. Oh yeah, Alicia's my partner, if you don't pick that up.
I guess we're a bit done with the drop. EURJPY is literally waiting for me to take profit, but I don't. Which I'm gonna regret in about 8.5 minutes.
This is my voicemail.
44 p.m.
Hi, Narrowville. Hello, this is Narrowville. Hello?
I didn't even answer.
Flirting with your mailbox.
My mailbox was literally made over 10 years ago before I hit puberty, so I sound like a girl. So you probably think I'm a little girl.
Oh, the mailbox for my German number is I made also like 10 years ago or whatever.
Do you want to hear what I sound like 10 years ago?
I don't know.
Oh, good.
Oh, the Nasdaq is pulling back too. This is gonna stop me out so bad in a minute.
T7. Dollar cash.
€1, save my ass, damn it.
According to state media, China's Nanjing COVID outbreak is due to the Delta variant.
All right. Short Aussie yen again? Oh, I think yes. I'm gonna have to go light though, in case it tests VWAP so I can scale in hard.
Dollar CAD.
Limit order set.
Oh yeah, if you test the VWAP, you have like 2.5 pips for the stop, maybe 3 if you.
Oh, I'm actually being safer. I'm going 81.444. I'm still using that previous high. 1 sec, I'll take a photo. Just check voice context.
Oh yeah, I see it. I just put a line there.
That's the idea. Aussie dollars lining up for VWAP too. It's just about what the indices are going to do. And the dollar, if it can stay above VWAP. Actually, that looks really good, dollar CAD. In fact, I could buy dollar CAD right now. But I'm not going to.
Well, the Hangseng is at the VWAP and the Nasdaq. What about the DAX? DAX doesn't really matter, but. And the Nikkei. Yeah, they are all look kind of the same. So it's gonna go up. Euro is bouncy too, in the middle of nowhere.
I just need 4 pips to get in.
I would sell it now. Oh, you already did. Never mind.
Yeah, I just added a little bit more as it went up a little bit and reduced my limit order size by a little bit.
What the Euro does has about 1 pip to the VWAP. Kinda broke the structure already, so yeah.
Come on, maybe I go in heavier here. Come on, you can do it. So close.
There we go. Right there. Now or never.
I need 2 pips. 2! Come on. Oh, this is hurting. I'm just gonna double this and remove the limit order.
Euro is about 4.5 to the resistance. Hangseng is already on the way down. Damn it, I wanted to short the Hangseng again. There's still room to do it.
Aussie dollar, Euro dollar,
That stop is maybe a bit too close. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna get stopped out again, doing the same mistake twice.
You're, sorry, was occupied. You're shorting Hangseng?
Yeah, but I'm gonna get stopped out in a second.
dollar index,
Did you just say dollar index?
No, I didn't hear it.
Oh, I did. The dollar index is just at the Weber.
I feel like my own dollar index is just a dollar CAD.
Dollar CAD is pretty good indication of what's going on.
No.
Yeah, the dollar index just went below. And so did dollar CAD. We fucked.
DAX,
Another green day for the gust.
I hope not. At least hope not now. I'm running out of patience.
$CAD.
Sticks too long to the VWAP, that's a bad sign.
Oh, my Aussie yen actually reversed nicely. Very nicely. Same as Aussie dollar.
Really? Oh, nice. See if it breaks the pivot now.
Yep, that would be nice.
Very nice for my Euro yen short too.
And we can both be happy. Don't have to go into the yucky London session.
Because I have one or two positions on there. Check voice context.
Nice. Microloading.
Yeah, the hard way. And Bitcoin is still on the way down though.
I'll be back in 5.
Gold is in sell.
I'm not sure about gold. Come on! Just another 22 points. It's not that far. what's happening here. I'm closing the Hangseng, I don't really like it. I wanted to close between the low here and S1 anyway.
I'm back.
Come on, Euro. Don't have all day.
I'm playing my system so hard when it comes to parking fines. I got a fine about 6 months ago, and it's just been back and forth reviews. Still haven't had to pay it.
Yeah, that's fun actually.
So they sent me a final thing saying, okay, we've confirmed you did get the fine, blah, blah, blah. And then I noticed it still has the penalty reminder fee on it. And I'm like, well, since I never got the first physical ticket and I only was made aware of the fine on the penalty reminder, I have to request another internal review. And I just sent that off. So now I don't have to pay for another 30 days or something. Just because they piss me off, so I'm going to piss them off. Yeah. Well, not piss them off, but make them work for the money that they're getting.
Usually they add some fees, then I had the same problem with my phone provider.
Yeah, but I'm internally reviewing now to get the fees removed because they can't give me a fee if I never received the first physical ticket, and they never took a photo or anything, so they have no proof that I didn't get the ticket in the first place.
Now, when the story was with my phone bill, I had a 40,000 euro phone bill.
What?
Yeah, this was all, somebody hacked my SIP account and ran a call center off my number.
Oh my god. That's crazy, I've never heard of that.
I made like 20,000 calls in like 4 weeks. And well, this was all cancelled because I didn't do that, so whatever. Then so they reversed that, but it is automatically got escalated to their incasso company, which is a different company. It's not related to them at all. It's just a service provider.
Great.
And he still keeps sending me bills, and I just replied to them, I am not a client of your company. I don't even know what you guys doing. I mean, I know well what they're doing.
But you just act dumb.
China considering still export levies to tame domestic prices. To repeat, China says be considering still export levies to try and tame domestic prices.
They always keep telling me bylaw and blah 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 and penalty and whatever extra cost, and well, you can write numbers on a whiteboard as much as you like. I don't give a shit. I'm not a client of you.
Yeah, they're just trying to threaten you and shit. Do the scare tactic.
They like explained it to me like, this is an outstanding balance from Zipgate, blah blah blah, and I have no outstanding balance with Zipgate, so whatever, I don't care. I'm not a client of you, so stop sending me bills. They have my credit card. If I have something outstanding, that's just gonna charge on my card anyway.
That would be a worry if all of a sudden you notice that they actually took money out of your account.
They did actually.
Oh wow, how'd that go? Did you take him to court or what happened?
Oh, my bank called me and asked what the fuck.
And what'd you reply?
I have no clue.
Yeah. And then what happened?
Well, then I called them and asked what's going on, and then they figured it out. It took them just an hour or so. They called me back. Oh yeah, some Indians that hacked the account.
Oh, sorry, I'm following now. Before, when you were getting the fees and stuff, you weren't aware that it was hacked. So you only found out it was hacked when the bank called you.
Yeah, I wasn't aware of that. The bank just called me. There's a charge on your credit card for 40,000 euro. Is that okay?
Yeah, right. Oh, shit.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, it makes sense. Fuck. Exactly, and it's your discretion. If you say, well, I have no idea what that is, then you got no idea what it is. There's nothing in writing saying, yeah.
Zipgate didn't know either, so it's not their fault either. They just did what they had to do.
True, true. You're just in Hangseng, yeah?
Oh, I chickened out, but it's actually likely gonna go there. Huh? Oh no, it didn't go anywhere. It's still at the level where I closed it.
Yeah.
So the euro is not gonna drop further either.
Yeah, everything's slowing down.
It's a bad sign.
Yep. And as you said earlier, we'll see if Aussie Yen can cross the pivot point or not.
I think I'm just gonna close the euro yen short. I don't think this is gonna break below. I think it's gonna do it, but it's gonna fuck around like forever. The euro yen just touched the low. Okay, if the euro, let me just make a line there real quick. If the euro touches the session low, I'm just gonna close everything. Oh great, black trend line on black background.
Yeah.
Very contrasty.
Okay, I can get back to this mouse pointer stuff. You said to do it on the Windows directory.
Just copy the mouse pointers you want to use into Windows/cursors. Then you just open the mouse dialog and just select them. You can also do it from an external folder, but then you have to browse and blah blah blah. And 6 months later, you don't know where they are anymore. What do you mean the Windows directory? It's like 5 kilobytes of data. Who gives a shit?
Yeah, gotcha. I'm gonna make it. Oh yeah, I can't make a folder in there, can't I?
Oh, then Windows is not gonna find them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, fair. And they've all got different names anyway, so I guess I won't get any clashing.
I think the original I renamed. Just copy them. If it asks you for override, just skip it and rename it.
Alright.
Oh, euro yen made a low, half a pip. Holy crap.
Hey, this means that everything else can kind of work, because Aussie Yen made a low too. DAX is going down. Nasdaq's going down.
Euro is going up. Fuck you.
Yeah. Well, at least Dolly CAD's going up.
Yeah, it does. I just have the euro dollar open on big size. Let me just have a look.
Oh, well, it's going up. It's trying to. It's really trying.
Fuck that. I'm out. Oh, what do we do? What do we do? Decisions.
Euro Yen.
T5.
Ooh, I've got a level at 130 for Euro Yen. Like literally
130.01 is my target actually.
Yeah, around now I'd probably trail it out or close. Yeah, I'd close here. Fuck that.
I'm thinking about closing too because the euro is going up. Fuck it. Oh, it's going up. Shit.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna hold Aussie Yen.
Just made the decision to get out and then it immediately went up. Fuck you.
You gotta let your finger make the decision.
It's probably gonna hit the target anyway. 130.01. Well, 130.006. Or 7. It goes now. If it takes a few minutes, then it's 130. Never mind, I'm flat. Look at the Hangseng. It actually hit my target. I'm done for today. Whatever.
Yeah, I got 2 targets on Aussie yen, 81.165 and then S1 at 81.
See voice context. I was just starting to say, okay, I'm better gonna close it, and it immediately moves up. Instead of just pressing the button first and then start to talk.
Yeah. I'm still nervous to test that out. I mean, I could test it out on this one. Okay, if Aussie yen goes down to 81.165 fast, I'm going to try hold down the close and see what happens. Because I do want to get out at that level anyways. I'll just hold it for a few seconds and see if it registers or not.
Cable.
Looks like you're in holding. We're testing the weekly VWAP. I'm done for the day. 0.25% profit. Good enough. Don't forget to hit me a like. Damn it.
Check out the photo I sent you, Swing, if you got a minute. The last command doesn't work.
Just sue Facebook.
Yeah, immediately.
Unacceptable.
Not good, Mark Zuckerberg. Not good enough. Going to Facebook jail.
Oh, EURJPY is gonna drop so hard. Probably go to 1299 there, even. I'm done.
Yeah, fair. This is gonna be my last trade too, an Aussie yen. At this rate, it seems like it's gonna be going into London or Frankfurt. Are you still playing around with the synthetics?
Yeah, I didn't do it for a little while, but I'm gonna restart it with some serious money.
Oh, okay. I'd say, because wouldn't that be a good distraction when you have to stop trading on Forex? You got something else to do.
No, it's about the mindset. If you fucked up, then you fucked up, and you're just gonna fuck up something else. It doesn't really matter.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. That's true.
I mean, it did not really fuck up, but I made some bad choices in the beginning, and usually you're just gonna keep doing it.
Yeah. I follow.
Like the loss I had on the Hangseng. I mean, the trade was valid. I mean, it went straight down after it stopped me out, but my position was too big.
Yeah. And you can't stop thinking about, oh, if I just moved my stop and I actually was in it, and etc. Yeah. Makes sense. Oh, by the way, I've really been liking that new color template you sent me for the overview, where it's just the candles instead of the background changing color. It's so much nicer.
Yeah, but the red looks so bad.
It looks a bit orangey or pinkish to me.
I don't really care about the color, but the red ones don't stand out. I mean, right now we don't have anything that is... Oh yes, the euro and the Aussie dollar is blood red, but it doesn't really stand out, and I don't know why.
You're right.
If you see the green ones like on dollar CAD, this is like you look at it from far away and you can already, okay, dollar CAD is something I have to look at.
Yeah. Like if you
that's the whole purpose, but it doesn't really work on negative pairs.
If you look at what I sent in voice context, it's like straight away you look at cable and dollar CAD.
That's the whole idea. So you don't have to look at it for like 10 seconds. You just, okay, this two, like you just said, cable and dollar CAD is standing out, and that's the whole idea.
Yeah, but what I was saying is, to prove your point from before, when you look at the reds, you look at Aussie CAD, Euro Dollar, Nikkei, then DAX, and then Nasdaq, and
But if you look at Euro Yen as example, Euro Yen is very dark red. It's not standing out anymore, so you know the party is already over.
Yeah.
Just something you can ignore, but for some reason they don't. Maybe this is because they're using a white border.
Maybe.
Let's just try that. Bull fill, bear outline. Just make it transparent.
Oh, I didn't like that. The candles are too thin.
And now it's actually red. This is the outline that fucks it up.
Yeah, 100%, because the outline's so bold. It would be good if you could have a dynamic outline, but it's too much for CG.
I can change the outline and the candle color actually.
Dollar index.
Yeah, let's just do that real quick. Set them all to the same color. I mean, we don't need the candlestick nonsense on this chart anyway. And we don't care if a candle goes up or bad, if a candle is red or green.
Nope.
Let's do that for a second. This is gonna take me just a few seconds to do. Where is it?
If anything, you can just remove the fill color of the candle that goes down, but no need for the color difference.
Bull fill color, bear fill color, bull outline color, bear outline color. It's already in the code, I just commented it out for some reason. Let me just share the screen real quick.
Dollar index.
How about that? It's very green.
I like that. That's nice. That's
yeah,
like
let's do it for the bears too, just a second. I did play around with that when the alpha is changing and whatever, but it's never anyway nice.
Yeah. Fair.
That's why there's so much commented code, because I just tried 1,000 ways to make that happen.
Yeah.
How about now?
Hey, that red looks pretty good.
See, Orion is supposed to be not very... it's still too red. What I mean?
Yeah. Yep, I agree. It's not changing drastically enough. I don't really like the background text though. It's too oomph.
I have a shitty BenQ screen. I don't really see it. That's solid.
Ah, okay.
It's actually a LED screen, and it has burned in the C trader charts you're seeing right now. If I shut down the computer and turn off the screen, and if I shut down the computer, I can still see the charts.
That's funny.
Dollar index.
So much for LED.
Lol.
I bought a new BenQ actually, which is next to my monitoring for the trading computer. It's just the position list and my external bots and whatnot on it. But this one is actually extremely good. And then I could not find that one anymore because, like, you know, every 5 minutes I have a new model.
Yeah.
And then I just, out of desperation, because one of my last Acer screen broke as well, and then I bought a Philips, and this one is so good. I use it now on as my main screen for the trading computer. This is a Philips 241V. This screen is unbelievably sharp.
What was the numbers again? Philips
241V.
Okay.
It's just a shitty Philips. The design is just crap. But the display is unbelievably good.
Guess at the end of the day, that's what you need. So.
Well, I don't know I don't really care how the frame looks like and what it has a circle stand, which is you cannot put it anywhere. I just put a box from my iPad below it, so whatever, that's good enough.
At least it's got the mounts on the back if you've got a stand or anything. And it's only $169 or something here in Australia. It's not bad.
It's $69, let me just check.
169.
169. I paid a little bit less than that. That's 4,100 Thai baht. I think I paid 3,600 or something like that.
All electronics here in Australia tend to be more expensive because we live on a fucking island away from everyone.
Aussie dollar.
It's 150 Aussie. It's not much different.
Nah.
This one I was really surprised. I saw it in the shop and it's like, oh, this is maybe the shitty neon light or something like that. But then I had it at home and it's like, holy crap, this I can actually see.
Makes a big difference, doesn't it? When you can see.
I mean, I have my iMac right next to it and I can still see there is a difference between the iMac and the Philips. But the Philips screen is $150 and the iMac Retina display is like $3,000.
Yeah, this one's still good.
This is like, holy shit, this is good. I mean, for the money.
Yeah, value. Yeah, looks like Aussie yen's just gonna go nowhere for now. Probably go up.
If you want to spend some real money, then Dell, Office series of Dell. They're not high resolution, but they are high contrast because they are made for offices. Like they are on 24/7.
Yeah. They're the better computers for like editing and stuff, photos, yeah?
No, they're made for offices, like not for graphical work, so they have a high contrast, but the resolution is not that good.
Okay, yeah, because I was going to say, isn't a high contrast good when you can see the difference between colors?
Yeah, that's basically it. This is like, yeah. And I have two of those. I bought them 11 years ago, and they're like brand new. They're just dirty as shit, but they're like new.
Yeah, fair.
I haven't gone down in resolution. There is no dead pixel. This is like they was well worth the money. They're freaking expensive.
Yeah.
It's the same when you buy a Mac. You're spending a ton of money, but you're gonna have it forever. So
Yeah, I haven't had that experience with Macs personally, but I got I think a 2010 Mac, but
I have a 2010 Mac down here on the floor too, and it's still on. I just don't use it anymore because it freaks me out. And I replaced it with a 2015 one. The one on my desk right now, and I have a 2008 one on below the other desk, and this one works perfectly. It's just freaking slow because it's like 11 years old, not 12 years old. And I have an iMac G4, the one that looks like a UFO, and behind it's also still working, but it runs like a 1,000-year-old Mac OS on it, so nothing works anymore.
Yeah.
I have a 21-year-old iMac 3G, and this one still works too.
I just got that the standard laptop. I think it was 15 and something inches from 2010. The one that comes with like 2 or 4 gigs of RAM.
Yeah, I have a MacBook Air of 2010, but I'm very disappointed with that one because the battery actually died.
Oh.
You cannot really change the battery, but I didn't really care about it because I rarely use it anyway outside. I mean, I bought it to take it away, but then I maybe use it for 5 minutes on battery, and then I'm gonna be in somebody's home and use the Wi-Fi and the power. But the battery got puffed up inside and broke the main board.
Holy shit. That's fucked. Only problem I've had with mine is my MacBook is so slow it's not funny. There's just no point using it. You're gonna spend all day opening your emails.
Dollar index.
My old iMac, it's standing there on the floor, and it has network connected and the power, and it just sleeps all the time. If I need something I haven't used in 27 years, I just hit it so it wakes up, and I just connect via the network to it.
Yeah.
That's the one I had the temperature problems, and I actually bring it to a shop to fix, and the guy like, your mainboard fan is broke. He like asked me, what did you do with that? Because I'm running this shop since like, I don't know, 15 years, and I never changed this fan, ever. It don't break.
Yeah, and then they opened it up and looked at the battery and like, whoa, that's a bit swollen.
No, I mean the iMac, because the fan is broken.
Yeah.
And then I just say, well, I bought it, I turned it off, and an hour ago I bought it, I turned it on, and an hour ago I turned it off to bring it to you.
There you go. So like, is it? Sorry, was it broken? It was broken when you bought it, yeah?
Oh no, it just broke because I never turned it off. It literally ran for like 8 years.
Right, gotcha. Yeah. And I guess that fan's never been stress tested for that period of time before.
My ergonomics are not that very good because I made myself a rack for my screens. The iMac just fits right below the piece of wood where the screens on the second row are on. Kind of blocks the airflow.
Ooh, that's never good.
The new one is a flat one, and it has actually like 4 centimeter distance to the piece of wood, so it actually has airflow. Do that mistake again. But the Nikkei is failing the VWAP.
Yeah, I see it.
Thinking of reshorting, maybe reshorting RZN.
Oh, I'm in short, but I'm thinking that this might be popping up. Look at Aussie dollar. I might have to hedge it very, very shortly.
On the Aussie dollar, the structure is on your side. On the euro, not really.
Well, I guess my pip is like, sorry, my stop loss is still like 12 pips up, so I've got room.
Yeah, I will declare it as a failure. 3.5 above VWAP.
Yeah, true.
If your stop is like 10, you can like hedge it at 401 or something like that. It's not your stop yet.
Yep.
I see RCN on the 15 minute looks kinda bad. It's right off the weekly VWAP.
Scale in a little.
I will do that too, like hardcore. But yeah, you're right actually. The cable is already green, and the Nikkei is kind of fighting. I mean, the Nikkei looks like it's gonna go down. But like cat looks. Oh, do you want the indicator by the way?
Which one? Sorry.
The one I changed.
Yeah. Okay.
The reds are still shit.
Fair, but at least that was always the case, wasn't it?
Just less shit now.
Cheers.
Hope you are in better situation already.
Put it in voice context. Just try it. Delete, if you have the same one in the download folder, just delete it first, because Windows is gonna rename it.
Yeah, just 1 second, because I'm concentrating here.
Pound yen looks so nice, it's just begging to be short.
Alright, I'm adding more size to Aussie yen and lowering my hedge again. I'm putting it at 81.39 exact. Because I think if this is going to happen, it's not going to break 2.5 pips.
My reason before was 388 actually, and plus some spread. Room for the spread.
Yeah, so mine's 390 now, so about 81.4, 81.399-ish. Yeah, that's fine.
The Nikkei looks pretty, and pound yen looks pretty.
It'd be better if Aussie dollar wasn't so high. And cable, but yeah.
What about the Aussie dollar? Let's have a quick look real quick. The Aussie dollar kinda destroyed the structure already. It's kinda bullish. We'll just reverse it when it breaks. I'm not in, so ignore what I say.
Aussie yen.
Oh yeah, about the situation, yeah, it's about, I guess about a week, something like that.
What was that referring to?
The prop nonsense. It's like a major drama with the license.
Oh yeah, I read a bit of the Amphoid family. It looks like there's a bit of shit going on.
Pound yen.
That's a pain.
Euro dollar.
Well, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not gonna make another trade. You look at cable, it's shooting up like hardcore. Dollar is dropping. Gold is going up.
Yeah, I'm die hard. Like literally, look at Aussie yen right now.
Dollar CAD is still a buy. Just like, fuck. My cat needs some love.
My decision now is like, if I hedge now, I can save half of the loss. But no, because it's still valid.
So, double the loss and press the 100% button. My cat really needs some love.
No. Is he on the stream camera?
Showing her ass. Now she's happy.
No. Yeah, I can see her tail like wagging along your face. That's kind of cute. Oh. Oh, I miss my cat. He was a good cat. Whenever I was trading, he'd come sit next to me and just look at me and meow because he was always hungry.
Euro dollar.
I miss being bugged every 5 minutes.
And now she walks in circles right in front of me, like between me and the keyboard.
Oh.
She does that now about 700 times.
One day you're gonna miss it.
She's an old girl.
How old is she?
14 or 15, something like that.
Oh, nice. Wow, yeah. Oh, and she loves cuddles. Yeah, my cat Soxy lived up to 18 or 19 years of age, which is pretty good. But he just went downhill so fast in the end. Hold your phone. This looks good on Aussie yen. What?
Yeah, Dollar Cat looks like a really nice buy now. The structure is just perfect.
Yeah.
Structure is lining up with the Viva perfectly on Dollar Cat.
Don't.
I really want to buy that now.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do another trade.
I want to short that. Indices looks like they might have another idea though.
Alright, I'm gonna call it a day, everybody. I will be... I have to buy some furniture for my wife, and I will be back in an hour or so in the Discord. Good one, everybody, and talk to you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to hit the like button. So our resident hater is not standing out that much.